Good afternoon, YouTubers. I'm not an expert, and this is Flea Market Finds for June 30th, 2024. All right, it was hot out today. I went to the flea market. Wasn't a lot going on. I had to go early, so not everybody was set up. But I found this. It's a hewing hatchet. Okay, so a hewing hatchet looks a lot like a carpenter's hatchet, but it only has a bevel on one side. The blade's completely flat on the other. Now the handle's loose, so I have to fix that. But I think the handle's in good enough condition that I can reuse it if I can get the wedge out of there. Got a little paint on it. Otherwise, seems like a perfectly good piece of wood. Let's take a little look. This one does have a maker's mark. It might be a little hard to see. You see that? It says Collins and something below that. It looks like Red Seal. Collins Red Seal, is that a thing? Anyway, the edge looks to be in pretty good shape, but I don't think it ever got used a whole lot. And if that paint came from Collins, and it didn't, although the pole looks like it got used as a hammer quite a bit, so maybe the paint's from after that. Maybe somebody fixed it up and painted it. I don't know. At first, also, I thought that it was like left-handed or right-handed, and then I found out from online that just how you mount the handle, you can mount it so the bevel's on, whichever side you prefer for how you like to work, which is kind of neat. And then right next to it, I got another one. Okay, and this one is a little bit bigger. This one is a true temper. Let's see if I can show you up close. True temper, and looks like a number, probably a model number. The pole on this one looks pretty untouched. The edge is pretty nice. It's probably didn't, I would say it didn't see a lot of work. The handle's real loose there too. Now the problem is, it's got a crack in it. I can't tell if that goes all the way through, but I think it does. Yeah, that crack goes all the way through. So, all those out there who have experience with anything, if I get out there with a grinder a little bit, clean that up, can I weld it? It's forged steel. It's actually probably not that hard. I think my welder would stick to that. I just have a wire feed welder. But it might work. Maybe it needs stick. Maybe it needs more amperage than my welder can provide. I don't know. Probably work pretty good. And then, of course, I have to fix the handle. Get that reseated. And then since I have two, I have to decide lefty or righty. Could be kind of fun. Needs some cleanup. I think it'll clean up real nice. Anyway, that is all that I found that was interesting and old at the flea market today. That's all I've got for now. We'll catch you later.